So welcome guys to my GameEngine devlog part 2. So it has been quite a few days since I uploaded the last video, and since the last video there has been quite some major updates. So let's go through them one by one. So the first update you could see are the panels. These panels. These panels are basically I use the same panel architecture like the Unity, and also I copied their buttons and designs or colors, you could say, but whatever, because most of the game engine use the same architecture as Unity. Let's go through the panels. In the left we got the Heirrachy panel. It is for all the models that is uploaded in a scene, like this cube. We could select this cube. Again, in the right we could see the inspector panel. It's basically the properties of all is the properties of the entity or the model we have selected. For example, this cube has this name cube. We could change the name cube 2 3 whatever. We could change the name of the cube. Cube. Again, position, we could move the cube. It's the X, Y, Z. Again, the rotation of the cube. It's the basic settings the most game engines have. And we could scale it. One nice feature we have that we could scale in any direction. Could scale in X, we could scale in Y. Like we could make a plane out of this cube like this. It's a quite nice feature I have added. It's a basic feature every game engine should have, I say. Uniform. Okay, it's too big. Now in the bottom we have the console panel and the assets panel. The console panel is basically the log panel, in like a terminal we have for outputting the logs, like model loaded successfully. We have theme models loaded, plane, sphere and cube. The plane is for a grid. The sphere is the sun. Actually, I'll show you the sun. Sun is the light source in this scene. We could also move the sun, and sun itself is an entity, but we shouldn't change the name of it entity for now because it will cause some disturbance. It is sun. In we could change the FPS here. We increase the FPS, it will take more GPU. Right now it should be 144 so that it matches my screen refresh rate. Again, assets panel, it's one of the most interesting panel. Like we could load our assets in the assets panel. We have the materials, mesh, shaders and textures. Let me show you by loading one mesh. Right now there is no mesh, it is an empty folder. I'll load a mesh, import mesh. I don't think you will see the file explorer. Let's import bunny. We have imported the bunny mesh. We could either paste the bunny mesh inside the cube, or we could create a new entity. Let me create a new entity in the scene. At the entity, new entity. What's the name of the entity? Would be bunny. I don't think you could see this error. Bunny. We have created a new entity. There is nothing. There is no mesh in this entity. Therefore, it is empty. I'll now add a mesh here. Yes, there goes a bunny. Like this, we could import a mesh and just drag and drop in the inspector panel. I have also added some basic lighting like the ambient lighting specular, and also there was one under lighting, I forgot the name. Basically I learned it from OpenGL.com. It's a good source, you should also learn. For now it is, I could change the color. It's look cool, I guess. This look quite nice actually. Wait, let me load a more heavy mesh like bunny 2, bunny 2, bunny 2. I think the size is too big. Yes, the size was too big. I had to fix this size somewhere. Is a bunny? Yes. It's a more poly. There's more polygons in this mesh, as you can look. The details are more finer in here, and overall the lighting is quite good for now. And the next thing I would do is to add some materials and improve the lighting. Right now it's the Phong Lightning. Most modern game engines use the PBR lighting. I have to study, I have to do some research on it, and it looks quite nice for now. And that's all for now. Thank you.